Alright, welcome everyone. Lego Monday again. I picked up the 501st Clone Trooper Battle Pack the other day. Just sort of, it's a little worse for wear, but that's okay. I don't keep the boxes. Figured only 119 pieces, so it should be a pretty quick one today. Get our little doodad and our little guys. I guess that's some sort of tank or gun. Does it tell me on here? I'm not super familiar with the Clone Trooper lore. I guess not. Maybe it'll be in the book. But I always did stormtroopers, clone troopers. I always thought they looked cool, even when I was a little bitty kid. Okay, got all the goodies out. Visors, don't need that anymore. Probably 2.5 bags of that one. And how many pages is the book? 50. Looks like it's completed at 51 pages. Yeah, I think all the rest is loading it. Okay. And then advertisements. Let's see, just out of curiosity. Yeah, I got that one. I do not have the TIE Bomber. I don't know if that's a little bit outside of my price range, what I generally try and do on these. But anyway, I'm gonna. Ooh, only 120 pieces. I don't know if I want to try and do this in real time or not. Tell you what, I'm gonna pause, null it out, and then adjust accordingly as the video warrants. Be right back. Alright, there we go. That's like I say, I don't know enough about the lore of the clone troopers and whatnot to know. I know I've heard of them. I know about them from the prequels, but I never caught up with the Clone Wars or the Rebels or the Bad Batch or anything like that. But I did. I always thought they looked like really cool. The stormtroopers, advanced or whatever, a little more flair. But, I like the little backpacks on those dudes. I don't know. I say this. I'm assuming because of the long rifle, he's a sniper. And since he gets the little gun, he's a commander. I guess. And whoop, knocked his antenna off. And his helmet. Stay. According to the picture, this guy, one of these guys, is sitting here. Like I say, I'm not familiar with all the lore, but a cool, fun little set. Priced accordingly, I think. $12, $15. And it shoots its little. This gets a good range on it. Alright. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you're digging Lego Mondays and all the other vintage toy stuff. I still feel weird calling the toys I had as a kid vintage, but that's what they are. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe, because I don't have any intention of stopping anytime soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.